Get ready with me to do this autumnal makeup tutorial. I've already prepped my skin with skincare and now I'm going to go in with the Lumene CC cream. This is so lovely and I love to build this, so I've just added more with my finger here and then blended in with the Bobbi Brown full coverage face brush. It's just lovely when you want a really hydrated glowy look and you don't really want to wear a foundation. Then I take the YSL concealer, the Touché Clair concealer, and then I brighten the under eyes with this. I also use a brush just to kind of make sure it's really blended. With concealer, you don't want any streaks, so make sure that's really blended well. Then I take the YSL blush and I also mix this with the Charlotte Tilbury Glowgasm wand, I believe it's called. I will list all the products below. So the Charlotte Tilbury blush really gives a glow to this look, and this suits medium to rich skin tones so well when mixed with the YSL blusher. It's just such a perfect wintry berry shade and it gives such a glow and lift to the face. So I've just taken my first brush that I used before just to blend everything in. Then I'm going to use the Chanel bronzing cream. I love this product. I use this on its own. I use it with makeup. Kind of go all over the face, and I make sure to put it down the sides of the nose as well, so it kind of gives a contour without it being too contoured, if that makes sense. Then I'm taking the Revolution Beauty brow pencil to fill in my brows. I really like to focus in the middle of the brow, as you can see, and just keep brushing in the start of the brow and the end of the brow so it's not too harsh. Then I take the MAC brow pencil, and this is their gel liner pencil, which is retractable. And I create a nice line with it, and then I go back and forth just to kind of get that perfect wedged wing. And then I use the Benefit Bad Girl Bang mascara, which I love for a very lifted look. Make sure to curl your lashes as well if they are quite straight. Then I use the MAC lip pencil in Half Red. This is a little bit more on the berry side, but it's not too strong. Then what I do is I take the MAC lipstick in Marrakesh. This is a warm toned red, so it's perfect for this time of year. And then to amplify it a little bit more, I've taken the Clarins lip oil. This is such a beautiful shade and it matches the lipstick really well. To highlight, I'm using the iconic London Illuminator, and I've applied this with a brush on the high points of the cheekbones. Also taken a little bit down my nose and under my brows. Going back in with a concealer just to touch up, and this is the finished look. I hope you guys liked it.